everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. This is probably one of the most exciting videos I am ever going to film because as of yesterday, I am now a college graduate. I will be both filming, editing, and uploading this the day after graduation, and I figured that I would come on here, give you guys a little bit of an update, tell you guys how I'm feeling, and show you guys a little bit of a haul of what I got for graduation. And the reason this video is so exciting for me is because I started this channel back in January of 2013 when I was a senior in high school getting ready to graduate. So I've been doing YouTube for my entire college education, and I'm pretty proud that I've actually kept up with it, and I'm really happy that I've been able to combine the two together. And I have been in college for the past 5 years, so it has taken me a while to get a degree, but I finally have one, and my degree is in health science. And some of you are probably curious as to what I'm going to be doing next, and the answer to that is I'm actually going back to school for a second degree. And with the way my credits line up, I'm really happy because I will have a medical assisting degree in less than a year from now. My next graduation is going to be on May 19th of 2019, which is a year from yesterday, and it's really exciting for me that I will have 2 degrees. With the degree that I just received, I can go on to become a pharmacist technician. I can do basic stuff in the healthcare field like administration in a doctor's office. And so as of right now, I'm still feeling a little overwhelmed. It was such a big day. A lot of people were really nervous and had mixed feelings because they felt like their life was starting over afterwards. But for me, since I am going back to school, I do not feel that way. I'm really just excited to get back into school for some reason. I'm really excited for the fall and spring semester, and then after that, for my next graduation, I know I'm going to be nervous because I will really be starting my life and getting a solid career and stuff like that. So those are my feelings, and now I do want to go ahead and show you guys a clip glimpse of my diploma as well as my graduation cap, and then I will get into the haul. So this is just what the cover for my diploma looks like. I'm obviously not going to show the other side because it shows where I go to school. Having this is just super neat, and I'm so proud of myself. And the second I got this on stage, I don't know, I felt a huge sigh of relief, and I was overall just really proud of myself. And then this is just what my cap looked like. I did decorate it. I was going to do a video for you guys, however, time got crunched and I wasn't able to. But if you guys would like to see one next year, I can definitely do that. It is simply just a piece of gold paper I got at the craft store and a bunch of stickers. And then of course we have my tassel, which is over on the left side now that I've graduated. This is just my tassel. It just has a 2018 charm on it, and it is black. And now we are going to get into the haul portion. First off, I got a bunch of balloons. The others are floating over in the corner of my room. This one was the only one I could grab. From my parents, I got my new set of glasses, and I did wear them in a previous video and said I most likely would be wearing them. However, when you film, you guys can see my studio lighting. So I've decided that I'd rather be blind in videos than have the reflection, because when editing, it was really annoying, and I'm sure it's really annoying for you guys watching to just see the studio box lights if I don't lean down a certain way. But these were my big graduation gift from my parents. I'm super thankful because glasses are not cheap at all. Between the frames and the lenses and the coatings you have to get on them, they aren't cheap, so I'm very thankful these were my graduation present from them so that I can see. A glasses company I've worked with before called Furumu was also kind enough and reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted a new pair for graduation in celebration of it, and I said of course. And they're actually doing a deal right now where new customers can get their first pair of glasses for $4.99, and I will have all the links down below as well as my coupon code link. I absolutely love Furumu glasses. Just be sure to measure your pupillary distance because that is really important. And so these are the glasses that I got. I still don't know how I feel about them. I feel like they are cute, but at the same time they are huge. Let me know in the comments down below your honest opinion of these. I'm still very undecided. On one end of the spectrum, I am super excited and I love them, but then on the other spectrum, people are like, they are way too big for you. So definitely let me know, and again, check out all their links. I of course got a lot of gift cards and money from people, and then I also got a few physical gifts other than my glasses, one of which is this bracelet. This is just a Cape Cod bracelet, and I absolutely love it. It is one of those bracelets that once you put it on, you're supposed to leave it on and keep it on. It can go in the ocean, it can go in water, you can wear it showering, you can basically wear it doing anything, and I absolutely love it. It is just two-toned, it is silver and gold. I will insert a picture of it right here so you guys can see it a little better. I also got the IKEA Alex 9 drawers, which I've been wanting probably since I was like 11 or 12, and I'm super thankful that I finally got them, and I am using them as my makeup and skincare and hair care storage. So if you guys would like to see an updated makeup collection featuring those drawers, be sure to let me know in the comments down below because I can definitely do that for you guys. I will go ahead and insert what they look like here. I'm sure all of you know what they are and what they look like. And then from Anna, who I have mentioned many times here on this channel, I will have her channel linked down below, but from her I just got the most adorable painting ever that she actually did herself, which makes it even more meaningful, and she put it in the cutest frame, and I will insert a picture of it here. And it is from Proverbs 31:25, and the verse is, she is clothed in strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future. So that is everything that I got for graduation. I hope you guys liked this video. I figured it would be a good update and a little mini haul for you guys. If you liked this video, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. I really hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!